morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday today and I thought it would be fun to kind of film like a what I like to do on Sundays and how I like to prepare for the week. Of course not every Sunday is the same, but there are some things that are pretty consistent that I like to do, so I thought I would share those with you guys. I have just gotten out of the shower, I've washed my hair, I did a Melissa Wood health class earlier this morning. It was a mix of yoga and Pilates, like a 20-minute class, and it was really good. I love her workouts. I have been going back to the gym and doing my body pump classes, which I absolutely love as well, and that is strength training, so you use weights, but because it's Sunday I wanted to do something a little bit more chilled, and a good yoga class is just like the best. So yeah, now I've showered, washed my hair, I need to style it. I did also do a little bit of makeup, which is not very typical for Sundays, but we are meeting up with some friends later, so I like to just get myself ready so it's done. Alright guys, my hair is done. Feels nice and fresh, and because I don't wash my hair every day, this is actually going to last me probably until Wednesday or so. It is obviously quite curly right now, but over the next few days it's going to soften a little bit, but it's nice starting the week with clean hair, plus it's going to look good for our dinner tonight as well. So next I'm going to sit down at my desk. I'm going to publish my video for today, and then I'm going to talk you guys through a little bit of how I organize and plan the week in terms of like things that I want to get done, and talk you through a little bit of how I plan things. I find it quite funny how I still get so excited before I post a new video for you guys, even though I've been doing this for so many years. So it's now set to private. Let's make it public, and done, and save. It's now live. So my video is now live. I've just pulled up my calendar and I'm going to put in the next few videos that I want to film and when they're going to go up. We have a couple of meetings next week which are already in the calendar, and then I also like to schedule in my workouts. So usually I'll do a workout on Monday morning, but tomorrow we actually have a very early meeting at 8 a.m. so I'm not going to do that because that's going to be way too stressful. So instead I'm going to book myself in for Tuesday. There's a 6:45 a.m. body pump class, which is the like weight and strength training class that I love. So I'm going to do that on Tuesday, and then I'm also going to do it on Thursday. So let's write that in. And then I think on Saturday I'll do either a spinning class or a boot camp type of class. I'm going to leave that one open and see how I feel towards the end of the week. It is also my grandma's birthday on Saturday and I want to send her flowers, so I might actually just do that today. I'm going to make a note to do that. And then Mo and I just have some work-related things that we have to get done that are already in here. But this is looking good. I like to see an overview of the week so that I can just mentally prepare myself and know what I have to film and edit and post. And of course, other little like errands and things like that is always helpful to put in there. Also, another really big tip that I started doing maybe 2 years ago now is instead of waiting for Monday to go through all my emails, I like to get a head start, and I actually will just go through them at some point on a Sunday and just get back to any things that are urgent or things that I maybe didn't get to yesterday because it was Saturday. This allows me to wake up on a Monday without feeling like I already have so many things that I have to do. Clearing my inbox on a Sunday, getting that done, it really does like allow me to be a lot more peaceful in the beginning of my week. Something else that I do, which is of course super helpful, is to make a list, like a to-do list for the day, for the week. If it's something that I want to do right away, I just put it on a little post-it note and I put it next to my laptop so that I don't forget. And then I have a document in my notes, which is the free app that comes on all MacBooks, and in there I have a to-do list. So I put all the things that I need to get done so that it's out of my head and they're not like swimming around there, and I don't have to think about them constantly if I write them down. So that's of course a big one. just made myself some lunch. I'm having an avocado toast with some smoked salmon and red onion on top with some lemon juice and black pepper. And then just a very simple green salad on the side and some sliced cucumbers. Yum. Washing and disinfecting my makeup brushes is something else that I like to do on Sundays or whenever they need a good clean, which they definitely do right now. It's so important to use clean makeup brushes, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do, and to gently disinfect them with just some alcohol. I have a 70%, I think it's called isopropylene. I don't know, I'll put the word here. So I just spray that on them once they're clean. So I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but when it's really sunny outside, I like to close the curtains. That one, and there's one over there too. And I like to come in here. We're in my bedroom right now, and I love to just lay down on our bed in this room, which normally gets a lot of sun at this time, and I just close the curtains and it turns into the most beautiful, calm, zen place. So all the things that I wanted to do today are pretty much done. I've uploaded my video, I've planned for the week, I've cleaned up and organized a little bit. So yeah, now I'm going to relax, and I think I'm gonna watch some things on YouTube and just lay here and do absolutely nothing for a little bit. I love laying here so much. I just close the door, I close the curtains, and it's like the most calming thing ever. We are ready to head out to dinner, and I'm actually just going to keep the same outfit on that I was wearing during the day. It is so comfortable. These pants are from Zara, but about a year and a half ago now, but they are so comfy and very lightweight and just super flowy. And then I've just got on a simple white tank top and my beige Chanel handbag, and then these sandals from Valentino. And that is my look.
Cheers.
We're at an Italian restaurant called Zara. So I'm gonna get the linguine with shrimps, but I'm gonna ask for no cheese. And then there's a zucchini and mint cream with that. And then I'm also gonna order the mixed salad. back home. I just took the best shower and washed my face, took my contacts out, brushed my teeth, and I'm all ready to chill out. I think we're gonna watch something on Netflix and then cuddle up in bed. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this Sunday in my life, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, more vlogs, or let me know if there are any like specific video ideas that you would want to see from me. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.